In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create halftone in Affinity Photo. This effect is perfect for retro posters, comic-style dots, or a classic print vibe, and we'll keep it fully adjustable so you can fine-tune it at any time. Start by opening your image. Head to File, then Open, and choose the photo you want to work with. You can use any subject, but images with clear contrast often give the most striking halftone results. If you want that traditional print look, consider adding a black and white adjustment layer first. This simplifies tones and makes the dots feel more authentic. It's optional, but helpful. You can keep the adjustment as a separate layer for flexibility, or merge it with the original if you prefer the halftone to apply to a single layer. Either way works. It's just about how you like to manage your layers. Now add the halftone as a live filter so you can adjust it anytime. In the Layers panel, choose Live Filters, go to Colors, and select Halftone. Using a live filter keeps your workflow non-destructive, meaning you can reopen the settings and tweak them without starting over. In the halftone settings, set the screen mode to monochrome for the classic, single-ink look. For dot type, dot or cosine will give you the straightforward, familiar pattern, while line or circular provides stylized alternatives if you want a different vibe. Cell size controls how big the dots are. Higher values create larger, more obvious dots. Lower values keep details finer. Your image resolution affects how these dots appear, so adjust until the pattern looks clean and intentional at your working zoom. Use contrast to control how bold the dots appear. Increasing it pushes highlights and shadows apart, giving a punchier look. Lowering it keeps transitions smoother. Then set the angle to rotate the grid of dots. A setting around 135 degrees often mimics a traditional print feel, but feel free to rotate until the pattern supports the composition. To blend the effect with your photo, change the halftone layer's blend mode. Hard mix gives a high-impact, graphic result, while overlay preserves more of the underlying tones for a smoother integration. Lower the layer's opacity if you want the halftone to sit more subtly over the image rather than dominate it. That's it. You've created a fully adjustable halftone in Affinity Photo using live filters, with control over dot style, size, contrast, angle, and blending. Experiment with small changes to find the sweet spot for your image, and enjoy that timeless halftone look.